How to fix WeChat app unusual network problem. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can fix WeChat app unusual network problem. So without any delay, let's start with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So if you're having the problem of unusual network problem, the WeChat, don't panic. Let's start with the process on how we can fix it. So you just need to long press on the application first of all. After that, simply head over to the eye icon. After doing so, just tap on eye icon and it may take a while to load. After it is loaded, what you're gonna do is simply scroll down a bit until you are able to see storage. Just tap on storage and clear the cache of that application. After that is done, if that doesn't work, what you can do is simply tap on query data. After that, tap on OK, and all the details or data of that application will be deleted very easily. Otherwise, you may just switch to another network if you are still facing the unusual network problem. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to fix your WeChat app unusual network problem very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.